Ecwid is an e-commerce platform that offers dropshipping solutions. But before deciding whether it's the right choice for your business, here are 12 things you need to know. Stick around till the end as I'll compare it to some of its competitors and reveal a better alternative that you can try for free. First off, Ecwid is known for its simplicity. Unlike Shopify, which is more complex and expensive for new store owners, Ecwid integrates seamlessly into any existing website, allowing you to add a store without redoing your entire site. It's especially great if you already have a WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace website. Next thing, Ecwid has a free plan, which makes it an attractive option for startups. While it doesn't come with all the advanced features of paid plans, it's perfect if you just want to test the waters before committing. However, if you want more advanced features like abandoned cart recovery, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The third thing to consider is the pricing structure. Ecwid's paid plans are flexible and scalable, starting from just $15 per month. But when you compare it to Shopify's $39 per month starting price, Ecwid can be more budget-friendly, especially for small businesses or those just starting out. The fourth thing you should know is Ecwid's focus on simplicity. Setting up an online store with Ecwid is quick and easy. However, if you're looking for deep customization options, Shopify or BigCommerce may be more suited to your needs. The fifth thing is multi-channel selling. Ecwid allows you to sell not only on your website, but also on marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. This is one area where Ecwid outperforms platforms like Wix and Squarespace, which are more limited in their multi-channel capabilities. Next, let's talk about customer support. Ecwid offers 24/7 support through email and live chat, which is a major plus for beginners. However, Shopify provides phone support and has a more extensive knowledge base, so if you prefer direct, real-time assistance, Shopify might be a better option. The seventh thing is that Ecwid integrates with over 40 payment providers, including PayPal and Stripe. This flexibility is great compared to competitors like Squarespace, which only offers limited payment options. The eighth thing to know is Ecwid's app marketplace. It has a wide range of apps and integrations to enhance your store's functionality. However, Shopify's app marketplace is larger and may provide more options for advanced features. Next thing to consider is that Ecwid is particularly good for small to medium-sized businesses. If you're scaling up a massive online operation, platforms like BigCommerce or Shopify might offer more powerful enterprise-level features, especially in terms of advanced analytics and inventory management. The 10th thing is shipping options. Ecwid supports integration with shipping services like USPS, FedEx, and UPS, and you can easily set up real-time shipping rates. But if you need more advanced shipping management, Shopify's more robust integrations might be the better fit. 11th, SEO features are an essential part of any e-commerce platform, and Ecwid has a solid foundation. It gives you control over meta tags, product descriptions, and URLs, which helps you rank in search engines. However, Shopify also has strong SEO tools, so it's a matter of how deep you want to go into optimization. Finally, Ecwid is a good option for business owners who want to avoid the steep learning curve of other platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. It's easy to use, affordable, and integrates well with existing sites. However, if you want a platform that's packed with more advanced e-commerce tools, Shopify is a great alternative. So, while Ecwid is a solid choice for starting an online store or dropshipping business, if you're looking for more features, flexibility, or a more powerful platform, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.